The recent classification of welding fumes as carcinogenic to humans by the International Agency for Research on Cancer has encouraged many to rethink their stance on welders' respiratory protection. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. An unprotected welder operating within Australian workplace exposure standards for general welding fumes could be inhaling up to 11 grams of a known carcinogen every year. The 3M Speedglas 9100 FX Air PAPR gives welders a required minimum protection factor of 50, so the air supplied is at least 50 times cleaner than an unprotected welder would breathe. And that is 5 times the protection from a correctly fitted disposable or reusable respirator worn under a welding helmet. When you finish welding, you can simply flip up the welding lens to see through a perfectly clear, curved visor while maintaining your respiratory protection. For more on the Speedglas 9100 FX Air welding helmet, visit the AWS website at awsi.com.au, where you can also download the Welding Fume white paper. Thanks for watching.